Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. We will learn how to change your username on TikTok. Your TikTok username is how other users find and mention you on the platform. TikTok allows you to change your username, but there are a few rules and limits you should be aware of. To change your username, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap on Edit Profile. From here, if you want to change your username, tap on the username field and change it. TikTok will automatically let you know if the username is available. If the username is available, tap Save and confirm the change. You can also change your name the same way, just enter a new name. TikTok will let you know if it's available. Keep in mind that TikTok only allows you to change your username once every 30 days. Make sure you are happy with your choice before saving. After changing your username, your profile link will also change. Anyone using your old username will need the new one to find you. And that's it. We just learned how to change a TikTok username, where to find the option, and what limits apply. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.